Hello students, under the topic of Lewis structures, we have discussed the Lewis structure of phosphoric acid in our last lecture. So in this structure, I have told you that there are the formation of the 3 bond pairs that are single bond pairs, clear, but total number of bond formed in case of the phosphoric acid by the phosphorus atom should be 5 because of the presence of the 5 valence shell electrons, clear. So 3 bond pairs should be single and the rest of the 2 remaining electrons are going to take part in the formation of the double bond with the oxygen atom, clear. So in this molecule the total number of bonds formed by the phosphorus atom should be 5, clear. And how these bonds are forming here? To get complete octet for the each atom of the molecule, clear. For phosphorus, for oxygen and hydrogen, every atom is going to get stable configurations after sharing its electrons with the adjacent atoms. So in case of phosphorus, because of the presence of the d orbitals, the octet rule is expected to be exceeded. The number of electron in the outermost shell should be more than 8, because if you will going to count that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so this will become 10 electron system. This happens because of the involvement of the d orbitals, clear. That we will going to learn in exceptions of the Lewis structures topic, clear. So the rest of the examples I hope you have understood. If any doubt is still remained, then you can ask me anytime, clear. And the next topic is of formal charge. The formal charge of an atom in a polyatomic ion or molecule is defined as the difference between the number of valence electron in isolated atom, means for single free atom or individual atom we are talking about, clear, and the number of electron assigned to that atom in Lewis structure, clear. So this is the formula that we have to use, that total number of valence electrons minus total number of bonding pair minus half total number of bonding shared pairs. So here we have to take the total number of non-bonding pairs, clear. So we can see with the help of the example, we have taken the example of O3 molecule. So in this example, this is the first oxygen atom and this is the third and this is the second oxygen atom, clear. So in first oxygen atom we can see that the number of electron pair, total valence electrons in case of oxygen, as you know, 1 2 3 and 4, clear. As I have written here, for each oxygen atom number of valence shell electrons will going to remain same, 6, clear. For first oxygen atom we have to calculate formal charge on this oxygen atom. So now next thing, minus total number of non-bonding pairs. So here you can see this lone pair is totally involved in bonding and this lone pair is also involved, and only one lone pair, and means 2 electrons that are behaving as a non-bonding electron pair, clear, 2, and then minus 1 by 2 total number of bonding electron pairs or shared electrons you can say. So here 1 2 3 4 for this oxygen atom, clear. 1 2 3 4 electrons on this side by mutual sharing in 2 bonds, and 5 6, clear. So overall number of electrons involved for this oxygen atom in sharing is 6. So after solving it, the formal charge will become +1. And for second oxygen atom we can see the number of the valence shell electron will same, clear. And after that, number of the shared pair 1 2 3 4, only this side it will showing bonding, not any other atom is present with which it has to share its electrons, clear. So here only 4 electrons minus half multiply by number of electrons, here that 4 electrons are these lone pair electrons, and bonding I have to write in multiplication with 1 by 2 according to the formula. Clear? That is multiply by 4. After that we will going to get answer. The charge on second oxygen atom will be 0. 4 electrons are involved in sharing and 4 electrons are behaving as a non-bonding electron pair. Clear? And then for O3 molecule, here total number of valence shell electrons are 6 minus total number of non-bonding will also same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Here both the electrons of this oxygen atom takes part in the bond formation. That is minus 1 by 2 multiply by shared pair of electron, that is only 2 electrons from this oxygen atom are shared here. So the charge will become minus 1. Clear? And this diagram showing the charge on the atoms in case of the O3 molecule, that is the formal charge. Clear? How we have to calculate the formal charge? The total number of valence electron minus total number of non-bonding electron pair, means which do not take part in the bonding and behaves like a lone pair. Clear? And then minus 1 by 2 total number of bonding electrons. So I hope you have understood the topic, and if any doubt still remained you can ask me anytime. Clear? Once go through it and see it again. If any problem then you can ask me. Thank you.